Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the difference between omni-channel and multi-channel approach. So friends, we have these two types of approach and we will be discussing what is a channel, then what is a multi-channel, and the latest update on multi-channel. I mean, if I talk about omni-channel, it is one step advance to multi-channel. So we will discuss all about the difference between omni-channel, multi-channel, and what is a channel. So again, this is totally based on customer-centric approach. So we will discuss like how implementing omni-channel can make a lot of changes the way you are interacting with your customers. So let us start the video. So omni-channel and multi-channels are terms. So these are basically used in terms of your customer experience and your marketing strategies. Both the terms, if I talk about multi-channel or omni-channel, both are involved in which we are interacting with the customers on different platforms. In omni-channel also we have different platforms. In multi-channel also we have different platforms. And the way of interaction on different platform is using different channels. If I talk about channels, anything through which you can reach to a brand, we call it as a channel. We have number of channels. We have social media channels, we have YouTube channels, you have website, you have physical stores, mobile, social media. These all are the channels through which we can target our customers. So this is very important to know how omni-channel experience is going to give a very good customer experience as compared to multi-channel. So multi-channel, as the name suggests, that we are targeting our customers on different channels, and all these channels, whether it is website, whether it is your physical store, whether it is an email, whether it is social media post, Facebook, LinkedIn, these all channels are working independently. So based upon the platform, we are targeting the user. So anytime if a user wants to change from one particular channel, he has to start his journey from start. So the problem is like user doesn't have a good experience because he has to start his journey. Even he was 90%, he has gone through 90% of journey, still he has to start. So here comes the omni-channel concept. Now omni-channel concept, it's a step further. Now it's a unified and seamless customer experience across all channels. In an omni-channel approach, basically now these channels are not working independently. All these channels are working and they are integrated. So anytime if there is any change from one channel to another channel, the experience of the customer is seamless because now the customer can start from wherever he has left. So if you talk about the key difference between omni-channel and multi-channel, first thing is like now the channels are integrated. There is an integration and there is a coordination. So if a person is interacting with a brand on an email, if you want to shift to website, so all the information that and whatever interaction is being done with the user on that particular channel, it is taken over to the website. So it's not starting a journey from the scratch. It will be wherever a customer left the particular channel, his journey will start from there. Consistency is there, ensuring that customer receives the same level of service across all channels. So if a customer is like he has spent 2 months or 1 month on a website, he has gone all the information. So now if he is moving to email channel, so it's not that we are again sending him the pre-consideration email, then adoption or trial. No, we will start his journey from wherever he has left. So we need to track on which pages he is visiting in the website. So once we are sending or targeting through email, we can target based upon his experience. Customer journey. So They can easily switch from one channel to another channel. Data sharing, again, customer data and insights are shared, because if we want to integrate different channels, it's very important that the channel should share the data and insights, so that if a customer is moving from one channel to another channel, everything should be in advance provided to the new channel, so that the customer has a seamless journey. It's a customer centric, and omni-channel can be more complex to implement due to the need of integration. The implementation is difficult because, again, every time we have not only we have to track the customer, we have to track whatever he is doing, whatever information he is gathering. So analytics tool is very important, and the seamless integration. The moment the user lands on a particular page, or the moment user is getting an email on what CTAs he has clicked, so all those things should be first of all captured. It is captured on different channels, but the second thing is, like, in timely manner it should be sent to the other channels. So there is a very basic difference. Again, channels are in omni-channel also, we have different channels, but the thing is, now they are all integrated with each other. There is integration, there is data sharing. So whenever there is any new information, that information along with analytics is passed from website to email, email to mobile, from mobile to Facebook page. So all those things are there. So the customer doesn't have to start his journey from scratch. So this is all about difference between omni-channel and multi-channel. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.